Hello friends, this is Megha Sharma from Department of Science, Biotechnology stream. Today I am going to explain the technique of Auchterlonie immunodiffusion, which is known as ODD, double diffusion assay, and it is discovered by a Swedish physician Ozan Auchterlonie in 1948. As we all know that the key reaction of all immune defense system of our body is interaction between antigen and antibody. We all know that antigens are the foreign materials which interacts with its respective antibody, and this all depends on its specific nature to identify antibody. Both are their supplements. Right now the next thing is we are learning this technique. This is done through agarose gel electrophoresis. When an antigen reacts with antibody, it forms a precipitin line, and this precipitin line is a visual signature of the antigen antibody interaction. Now the next thing comes in the mind कि when precipitin line forms, it has different patterns of identity. We will learn that three types of pattern. First pattern is pattern of identity, and the gel formed on the glass plates. Wells are made in the gels, and in one well antiserum is filled, and in another two wells antigen 1 and antigen 2 is filled. This antiserum diffuses in this agarose gel with these antigens. Along with this is known as antigen will flow will like this, diffuse like this, and antiserum will diffuse like this. And this diffusion results in a different patterns. One pattern is, I am telling you, pattern of identity. In this, a proper precipitin line is seen. We can say by seeing this, by observing this, that these antigens are immunologically similar for this antibody. Now the next pattern of partial identity. In this partial identity, as the diagram is predicting, that spur formation takes place. This is the spur. A spur formation takes place, means it is partially immunologically similar. One antigen is more similar compared to the other. Now we come to the next pattern. This pattern is known as pattern of non-identity. As the name suggests, the diagram is depicting that it is not similar, means immunologically different. This antiserum will not react with this antigen because the antigenic determinants present on the antigen is not similar for that antibody to react with. This is how Auchterlonie double diffusion takes place. Thank you.